Sorry, I hope you can hear me now. All right. Excellent morning once again. A big welcome. Simano, please get me admin right on this. Excellent morning. A big welcome once again. Please let me feel your vibe right away. If you're alive and kicking, if you are so hopeful of the base of this that is coming out from this new week, let me get to feel your vibe. The essence of our meeting is straight up. We just want to have you reminded of what is it we are out to do this week and why you need to participate in what we are out to do with everything within your strength. The reason is because spirit in what we are out to pursue for the week is the topmost goal of your business, is the base of the interest of your business, and that is never anything we'll second guess. We felt it would be wisdom for us to come and find a way of getting ourselves fired up, get ourselves charged up as we set out for the new week, and we will have a way of being more intentional than we have ever been. And I need you to know that the week is quite promising and is looking quite great, and that all that matters is your willingness and readiness to making the most, going for the base version of the week and making the most out of it. So I just want to say I'm so excited, I'm so grateful. And if I should care to ask you, what has it been like, your week so far, with the other part of what we've been doing, what has it been like? I don't know what that answer will be for you. What has it been like? We have embraced a prospecting week. What were you able to do with that week? And what were you able to make out of that week? And what result can you say has actually had it come into your business? And what testimony do you have to share? What impact has that week have on your business? And what can you actually say has added up to you because you were smart enough in utilizing that week? Because right about this time, we are out here to talk about a new dimension altogether, and that will be an introduction to a new package for the week. And the essence of it is we need you to know that there are step-by-step procedures in making dreams happen. So this week, we will be looking at the impact of social media on our lives and business today. The impact of social media on our lives and business today, and why you need to not to second guess, but to dive in deep. Please, if you can see my screen, Mr. Emmanuel, confirm that you can see. I want to be sure you can see my screen. The impact of social media.
Yes, sir.
You can see my screen. Why social media matters in business today. I tell you what, there is a new wall. And that new wall, in my own assumption, is the social media, and is a wall with the largest population on earth. It's a republic with the largest population on earth. And you know what? It's not an option for you to think whether you want to engage it or not. It is the way forward. Everything you need to make it happen in life and business lives in there right now. Knowledge lives in there. The base of schools, it was amazing discovering that you can study anywhere right now. You can study in Advert and go to Advert during graduation to graduate. You can study in, I don't know which university matters to you around the world, and go to the main campus to graduate while you are studying online from the comfort of your home with your mobile phone, with your laptop. You now go to the main campus when you are done with the course to graduate. Nobody will ever know that you were attending your courses from your own country. Nobody will ever know. And you don't have a lesser version of a certificate. The same kind of certificate given to others is what you will get. That is the beauty of what we are here talking about. Attention lives on the social media right now. All that matters is for you to be consistency by building trust. By building trust. All that matters is credibility. That being sure that you are building credibility. You are engaging, introducing conversation. You don't need to look like it in the beginning. You don't need to be perfect when you are starting out. You just need to try to get the basic as you are starting. I am telling you that People may hear me about it offline, but they are, it is like when you get online that you now become validated. And let me shock you. If you have 1,000, network, maybe network strength, let me say network, a community offline. What that literally means is that if you put in a quarter of the effort that makes you to build 1,000 people's community, 1,000 members community offline, if you put a quarter of that effort online, you are going to triple, if not quadruple, that result in just no time. That's just how online works. But of course, just like any other thing, it's not for the well-wishers. You need to also get the place of skill right. So the question next will be, are you using social media? Or is social media using you? That is the fact. Is social media using you? How does social media use you? You don't miss to broadcast your birthday. You don't miss to get there on a gist. You don't miss to like someone's page. You don't miss to comment on someone's page. Social media is using you. You don't miss to get on the next link on YouTube to watch a video. You are always on TikTok to see what is going on. You are active on Instagram. You are very participating on WhatsApp. You are very active on Telegram. Social media is using you. Because the question is, how many people come to look out for you on social media? How many people look forward to you, to watch your content on social media? Some of us have subscribed and even are paying to subscription. And then we keep going. We are just one bunch of consumers. It is time to change the dynamics. It is time to change the equation, because you can also choose to become a producer on that platform. Social media is already shaping people's life. Every day, millions build influence, income, businesses from the same phone, many that is enslaving others. And at iGo Global, we believe so much in leverage, not in noise. And that is the essence of this week. What we want to do this week majorly is to help you to move from the point of talking to the point of doing. Social media challenge, is starting out today. Practical usage of social media to build your business. Participation is quite optional, but is strongly encouraged. And I like at this moment to say, as much as we say participation is optional, please make it compulsory. You know what? By tomorrow, we are starting a practical section. We're going to take you through a real life process of how to make it happen through this and how to really transform your life by leveraging on this opportunity. What will you need to do? And how do you commit? How do you really get ready for this? Number one, it is time for you to go back there and review your page. Be sure that you put forward the best picture ever. Guys, let me give you one secret. Don't ever give your enemies reason to think they have won. Don't ever get your bad evil wishers reason to think their prayers have worked, their evil have succeeded over your life. Keep giving them a shocker of their lives. A shocker of their life by looking your best all the time. Never let your voice go down. Never, ever let your voice go down. Never come and put forward a dull-looking face, a defeated-looking face. Never wear an appearance of a failure because you are not one. Be conscious and intentional about how you carry yourself. And let me tell you one thing. Every picture you put out there online is to the reachability of the world. And you got to be sure that the best version of you ever is what is being seen out there. And make the most. If you need to walk into a studio, guy, do just that today. As we get done with this section, get into a studio, wear the base of your clothes, look the best version of you, knock out your base of tie, look out there in your system uniform, take the best picture ever, and upload to change your graphic, change your profile picture. Be sure you are not looking less version of you in any way and in any medium. Be sure the best version of you is being put forward for the consumption of the public. Why is this so? People are watching. And what next? Make it one intentional, value-driven posting today. I may not know what that will mean to you. Maybe you can choose to make a picture of yours with a bottle of Iroko that you can choose to upload it on your back page. But sometimes you can choose to just go neutral and just come out with something that keep people on suspense. They keep looking forward to what you are coming up with next. And then that's how it is. And just be sure today you're going to do something that will send you out on a new light. And next is we have created a WhatsApp group strictly for those that are willing and ready to participate in this challenge. Only those that will be allowed to be on that call, that group. Please and please, if you are not a serious-minded person, if your vision this year does not matter much to you, don't bother joining. Because everyone that will click that link and join that group, you must submit assignment when assignment is required to be submitted. We must check you out on Facebook and be sure you are complying in totality when it comes to the ethics of joining the group. And at the end of the day, those that participate and also comply and show seriousness and show evidence of growth will be rewarded with a 5,000 naira recharge card. Who knows if it's going to be more? 5,000 naira recharge card is just a way of saying, come on, thank you for a job well done. So guys, it's not supposed to be a long call. We're going to be doing this from next week. It's going to be back to back, because for your information, we are launching a profitable consumerism. By next week, we're going to have a section and training commences from Monday next week. And I'm just here to say, take everything we are doing this with so serious, because it's a build up to what we are introducing next. It's just 15 minutes. And I'm here to say, thank you for being part of this morning section. God bless you, Ray Gold. Look forward to the main training that is commencing tomorrow. Don't miss it for anything. Mobilize your team. After that training tomorrow, we're going to drop the link for people to, of course, there's already a link that will be released after this section for you to join the group, those that are informed to join the group so that you can get some update and then we go from there. But mobilize your team to be part of it. I just want to say thank you and be sure you make the most out of your day today. God bless you, Ray Good. This is where we stop. It's just a 15-minute section. I just want to say thank you for your time and your participation. God bless you, Ray Good. So guys, go and make the most out of your day. God bless you. See you tomorrow in the section. And I can't wait to see your new profile picture looking astonishingly beautiful and amazingly great because you're out. Thank you.
Thank you, CEO. Excellent morning, everyone.
Thank you.
Excellent
morning, everyone.
Thank you, CEO.
Excellent morning, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone.